Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and on the table in front of me, as you can see, I happen to have a differential. This particular differential happens to be for a Ford 1966 Mustang. Now on our videos, you've seen Mosers in several of them that we've done, and they're normally for Impalas or Chevelles or something of that nature. But we do Fords as well, and we do quite a few of them. So we had an opportunity, because we were doing a 66, to show you what our Mosers look like when we get ready to ship. So let's take a look, and I'll tell you what this is all about. This happens to be a nodular iron case. We're running a 325 posi True Track in it. It's got the 1350 yoke with the aluminum center support bearing housing. Also, we're outfitted this with Willwoods. This is pretty common for us to do here at Global West. We're running the big Torino axle bearings, 35 spline, and of course you can see how we do our braided steel line and brake line over the differential. It's very clean. This setup is also common for us. Powder coat the rear end, assemble it, ship it out just as you see. So as you can see, this rear end looks really good, and it's set up well, and Moser makes good equipment. So if you're interested in a differential from us, assembled like this, ready to go, by all means give us a call. We'll be glad to quote you with all the Moser components in our assembly.